guys, welcome to Wheelie Lovely TV. It's me, Shara G, and if it's your first time here, go ahead and become a flower bud by subscribing to my channel for weekly videos about my life as a disabled diva. Makeup, skincare, beauty, and lifestyle are all on the agenda, so if that interests you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So this week's episode is all about preparing for protective style. Right now, I am detangling my hair with just water and this awesome detangling brush that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. I'll go ahead and leave a similar one in my Amazon links in the description box below. To apply this amazing product from Curlsmith that has become a regular part of my pre-protective style routine. So I've been using the Curlsmith Bond Salve for a little bit over 6 months now. Every time I do a protective style, I go in with this, and oh my gosh, it is so good for restoring that bounce, that life to natural hair. Absolutely amazing. I've actually shared this with a couple of people, so I don't have too much left. So I'm just going to be focusing on the ends of my hair, which is the oldest part of your hair, the weakest part, and mine is also colored. So I'm just going to be focusing on the ends, making sure that they get covered with this miracle product. Okay, I'm going to start off with about this much. I'm just going through and distributing the product through my hair with my signature praying hands method, mostly focusing on the ends of my hair, which tend to be a little bit drier and weaker because of the chemical processes. And as you can see, there was a lot more product than I thought there was in this bottle, so a little definitely goes a long way. Since I'll be getting crochet braids for my protective style, my main focus with my hair right now is strengthen it as much as possible, which is the reason why I use strengthening products today. So the first one would be the Bond Salve, which repairs the protein bonds in the hair. And I'll be following up with the ORS hair mayonnaise, but I'll tweak it just a little bit to add some more nutrients and conditioning oils. So that is coming up next. So I can moisturize my hair with the crochet braids because I can access my scalp and my braids. So that's not going to be an issue. So my main focus is strengthening. So my hair is freshly shampooed. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the flaxseed mixture. And honestly, I've never tried this before, so wish me luck. Here's the consistency. We'll see. I really hope that this does not leave a million tiny little flaxseed powder pieces in my hair, because this would be like a repeat of last week. That's crazy. I've never put ground flaxseed in my hair before. I've never actually even put flaxseed in my hair, flaxseed gel or none of that. So when I saw the flaxseed, I usually put it in my oatmeal, but I'm like, okay, let me try and put it in my hair as you know, a more nourishing treatment since I'm doing a protective style. So this is trial and error, guys. Like, I'm trying this real time. Like, this is I've never tried this before, so let's hope and pray that it comes out good. I really don't want it to come out disastrous, but let's see what happens tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this with a plastic cap, and I may not sleep in this, although it's getting a little bit late. It's about 10 p.m. so I may not sleep in it. I may wait for about 2 hours and then wash it out, and it'll dry pretty quickly before I go to bed. Or I might sleep with it. I'm not sure. I just don't want to have those flakes in my hair. We'll see. Wish me luck. See you tomorrow, guys. Or see you in 2 hours. Either one. So it is about 7 a.m. the next morning. I decided to just sleep in the mixture because I was tired. So as you can see, I absolutely love the Bond Salve because the front of my hair does have some damage to the curl. It's not heat damage. Well, I think it is heat damage because I got my hair flat ironed one time in February, and I got a little bit of heat damage. And I think it's because my hair is also highlighted as well. So as you can see in the front, it restores the curl. So look at this side. There's no straight and straggly pieces, and that's something that usually happens with me, where even when I'm styling my hair, I have to use the mousse to define the curl, especially in the front, because I had some straight pieces. But look at this. Now it's not 100%, right? There's still some loosening of the curl pattern, but it's not bad. Like, I love this. Like, you have color treated hair or any kind of hair that needs just a little bit more strength, a little bit more fortification, then check out the Curlsmith. It is so good. This bottle is 8 ounces, but I'm telling you, a little goes a long way. Like with this one, I think I paid $25, I think, for this bottle at Ulta, but it's lasted me for months, and I've used it on my mother's hair, my aunt's hair, numerous times. So I think I got a good maybe 7-8 uses out of this. So I don't think it's bad at all, and compared to Olaplex, it really is not a bad price point for this. It is absolutely amazing. I'm telling you guys, it really gives my hair the bounce and the shininess and the strength that it needs. Absolutely in love with it. So I just wanted to come on and show you guys the final results. So my hair is still damp, as you can see, but it is feeling so strong. And it also feels moisturized because of the flaxseed mixture that I made. It actually, I have no product in my hair at all, and it feels so moisturized. So I am a very small YouTuber. I just relaunched my channel, so I am not sponsored in telling you all this, but this thing, this is the truth, okay? You have to check it out. If you have color treated hair, any kind of chemical process to the hair, anything, you just need to give your hair a protein treatment, but you want to try a different way, try the Curlsmith Bond Salve. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so it's looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and air dry my hair and then get my crochet braids done. I'll have an upcoming video with the crochet hair review, so stay tuned for that. So that will be coming up maybe around next month, because I want to wear the hair as long as possible to give you guys a full comprehensive review. So thank you so much, flower buds, for watching this video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button. Of course, go ahead and share the video with anyone that you think could benefit from it. And of course, I want to hear your thoughts about if you've tried the Curlsmith before, the Bond Salve if you actually tried it. If you have other recommendations for protein treatments or bond repair, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I definitely want to hear your ideas because I am definitely a guinea pig when it comes on to my hair. I'll try pretty much anything. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos about hair, makeup, skincare, all the girly stuff, life as a disabled woman, disabled diva. So you know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's me, Shara G, and I'll see you next week.